In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an email as HTML through Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or simply looking to save your design for future use, this step-by-step guide will have everything you need. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp's website and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is the section of Mailchimp where all your previous campaigns can be easily accessed. After you're in the Campaigns section, skim through your list and pick the email you intend to export as HTML. Selecting the right email is crucial, especially if you have multiple emails with similar subjects or types. Now that you've found your desired email, click on it to go into the editor. You'll notice the editor dashboard is loaded with various features. Focus on the upper right area near the Save and Exit button. There's a small down arrow next to it. Clicking on this arrow will reveal additional options, one of which is Save as a Template. By saving your email as a template, you're essentially creating a reusable asset that can be used in future campaigns. After selecting Save as a Template, a prompt will appear asking you to provide a name for the template. Naming your template appropriately will make it easier to find later. Choose a name that identifies the template clearly and relates to the email's content or purpose. Once you've typed in the name, click the Save button to confirm. At this point, your email has been successfully turned into a template. The next step is to navigate back to your campaign dashboard. Before moving on, take a moment to ensure your changes are saved and everything is as it should be. From there, head back to the main dashboard by clicking Return to Campaigns. This brings you back to the list of all your campaigns. Here, look for the Email Templates option, usually found under the drop-down menu or in a side panel. Clicking on this takes you to the library of all saved templates you've created. Find the template that you've just saved and click on More Options. This is where Mailchimp really shines in terms of functionality. Among the options listed, you should see Export as HTML. This feature allows you to take the saved template and convert it into an HTML file, which is particularly useful for use outside of Mailchimp. However, do keep in mind that the Export as HTML option might be unavailable if you don't have a specific subscription plan in Mailchimp. If you don't see this option, it means the feature is restricted to certain plan tiers and upgrading may be necessary to access it. And there you have it, your guide to exporting an email as HTML in Mailchimp. Make sure to keep practicing these steps to familiarize yourself with the process. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave any questions or comments below this video.